Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how you can apologize name in Facebook. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Put likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to Facebook on your phone or tablet. On your computer, it doesn't matter where. Then in the bottom right corner, click on the three dots. At the top, open Settings and Privacy. Media Accounts Center. Here we select Profiles. Then select Facebook. Here you will see Avatar, Profile, Username. Click on Name, and here we can change it. Click here. Then we can change the name, change the middle name, and also change the last name. Just remove it and add something of your own. And then click Save. That's how easy it is to do it. If you liked this video and helped, be sure to subscribe to the channel, write comments, put likes. Thanks for watching. See you later. Goodbye.